What's going on, guys? Miles here with Standish Cocktails. Yep, we're back. Number 3 margarita, number 3 video. Somehow on this glorious day of tacos and Cinco de Mayo, they came together like Batman and Robin and ran amok of the day. So that's what we're doing. We're overloading you with margaritas. I call this the Margarita Madness Day with 3 videos. This is the last one. We're going to do a Kiwi margarita, or how I like to title it, the Green Dream Margarita. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Our Kiwi of choice, our tequila of choice is going to be Altos Anejo Tequila. Now, the special thing about this tequila, it's aged 18 months in 200-liter bourbon barrels. So basically, smaller barrel, more complexity and flavor, more deliciousness, just run it all through your mouth and your face. So, and then we're going to add some lime juice from Twisted Alchemy. Of course, they support me. I support them. They're awesome. And then we're going to sweeten this bad boy with just a little agave nectar. So let's get into it. We're going to take some kiwi, about a half a kiwi. Throw that bad boy right in there. And then we're going to muddle it. When I'm using fresh fruits and whole fruits, if it's not a juice, then I actually really like muddling them out. It's something about fresh fruits from their natural state to tin, mix, right into the glass. Fresh, simple, easy. And then we're going to add 2 ounces. You know I like my 2 ounces, of course, of this Anejo Tequila. 1 ounce of lime juice. And then we don't want it too sweet, so we're only going to do a half an ounce of our agave nectar. Perfect. Awesome. And then we're going to add some ice. Now, the awesome thing about all these margaritas that I've been doing today is I've used very seasonal fruits. I've used mango, great in the summer. Watermelon, awesome in the summer. Kiwi, super awesome during the summer. I'm in South Florida. I love my tropical fruits. You can pick up any of the fruits from any of the videos that I've used today, honestly, at any one of your local grocers at this time of year. They're all going to be very ripe and very delicious. So it's going to add super awesome flavor to your margaritas. All right, add this glass. Pop it on there, give it a bartender smile and shake. Pop it off. And then we're going to strain this right over our big cube. Beautiful cocktail. Nice and green, just how we want it. And then hit it with a little kiwi. And that's it. The Green Dream Margarita. Cheers. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Don't drink and drive. Quarantine and sip. How about that? And remember, tip your bartenders.